In the heart of a forgotten forest, shadows dance under the moonlight. A chilling wind whispers secrets of the past, drawing you deeper. You hear footsteps behind you, but no one is there. Suddenly, a chilling laugh echoes through the night. Heart racing, you approach the cabin, curiosity overcoming fear. The door creaks open, revealing a dark interior. You step inside and the air turns icy. An old mirror reflects a figure standing behind you. You turn, but there's nothing there. Panic sets in as the door slams shut. The laughter returns, now closer than ever. You realize you're not alone anymore.